hold it. Gishi can hold it. There should be a tripod.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I posted one recently, but it was flagged for copywriting. I'm guessing it was the music. Anyway, shortly you are gonna hear me explain the plan for clearing up this land. It was a bit windy in the beginning. So, this is the land grass we were supposed to clear today, but the grass is as tall as me. Alright, so we're gonna be burning it today, and we'll give it a few days and come back, and we're gonna clear up. I have some other projects that I've been on, but I was not able to record everything. Just review what happened and how it was, and I'll post some videos and pictures on the job that I completed. So we're gonna go and get some more gas, and then we're gonna blaze out the whole area. Peace. As you guys can see, we are far from civilization, so we must be on our P's and Q's. Currently, in the video, I'm locating the pickets to mark out the boundary line for the land, to set the fuel, and then to light the flame.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn.
This is what we came to 2 days after, and we quickly got to work with clearing up the land. We started in front. I started doing a bit of chopping because we were weeding, and the weeding would leave some large stumps in the ground. So we paused with the front and we went over to the back, because there are no shrubs at the back compared to the front. So that is worker number 2. And my sister, she's weeding the side back, and then this is me weeding or clearing the entire back part of the land. I do hope you love the time lapse. I'll provide you with more information shortly.
My love deserves to be free. I never want to look at a house in the garden. I never want.
All right, so the conclusion was to dig out the shred since we think it wasn't working. We just went straight to digging out the struts. So we have the cutlass, and then we have the shovels as well. Basically just digging out the shrubs. Sorry, it took much more manual effort. Thought it would. It was taxing on the body, but we got the job done, of course.
I never want to lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
All right, so this is once we're almost complete with the entire job, but as you can see clearly the shreds removed, and it's a vast difference. We rake up the grass, we set the heaps ablaze just to watch the fire do its thing, and you're gonna see some before and after pictures. This is the back once I finish weeding before we clear up the shrubs, and this is after we cleared up the shrubs. We already light the heaps. This is a full back view of the land, back to front. This is before we light the fire. This is after we light the fire, and then this is after the cleanup. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next.